What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today is launch day. It's Apple Day. It is the launch day of the Apple Watch Series 6. So beside me I do have the Apple Watch Series 6, and as you can see it is the red color Apple Watch Series 6. So without much talking, let's get straight to the unboxing. Alright guys, so as you can see I got the Apple Watch Series 6. It is the new color, it is the red color. So all purchases of the product red Apple Watch actually goes to fund the COVID-19 pandemic. So this is great, we are supporting the COVID-19 pandemic. So without further ado, as you can see, Apple has given us a very nice pull tab to pull out packaging. Again, Apple packaging is always very premium, so you do not expect any less from Apple. You can already see the glimpse of the red color. Oh my god. So I have not actually seen any unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6 just yet. So this is my first official look at the Apple Watch Series 6 unboxing. So I'm super excited. Wow, look at that. It is all red in color. Beautiful. So you get the watch and you get the red band. Okay, so this is the new color. Okay, so this is the new color. It's the product red edition. Oh, look at that. It comes in this very nice red color casing. So compared to my Series 4 Apple Watch, it's exactly the same size, but it looks way sleeker. Damn. Alright, so let's take it out of its case. So it does have that 44mm right there. This is the watch itself. Check it out, Apple Watch Series 6 Product Red Edition. So one cool thing about Apple is that they do care very much about the environment. So this is entirely made out of recycled paper. So that is super sick. So it used to be kind of a leather case, and right now it's just recycled paper. So that's absolutely cool. So let's check out what else is in the box. We'll put this aside first. Okay, so you get your paperwork. As you can see, you got the product red here. So you can see right here, it does support AIDS, HIV, as well as the COVID-19 pandemic. So that's nice to see. And you get your standard Apple Watch, paperwork inside. And then one thing that's different about this year's Apple Watch is that they no longer include a brick. Now what that means is that if you haven't owned an Apple Watch before, you will have to go out and buy a case. Sorry, not a case, a brick for your Apple Watch. Now it does come in USB-A to the proprietary Apple Watch charger. I'm trying to find a way to out. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it does come with USB-A to the proprietary Apple Watch charger. So if you just get any USB power brick, then you'll be fine. Absolutely fine. So I don't think it's a big deal. Apple say they want to save the environment, that's why they didn't include the power cable. But it's Apple, they can do whatever they want to do. So right now we have the band right here. We're gonna unbox it again with this. You do not need any penknife whatsoever. It's Apple, they do give a very seamless experience when you unbox their products. So that's good to see. Okay, take it out. And boom, check it out. So this is the medium small, this is the small large. Let's get this thing out. I will immediately put it on the Apple Watch. Okay, so is the Series 6. Let's put it here. Okay, so just slot it in, it's perfect. So one cool thing is that you can swap out the colors when you feel like it. So there's the Apple Watch. I'm gonna power it on right now. There we go. So apparently what's new with the Apple Watch is that it does have a new S6 chip inside, a 20% brighter always on display, as well as the most important feature, which is the blood oxygen sensor in the Apple Watch Series 6. So as you can see, there are many new sensors at the back of the Apple Watch. Oh, okay, so it does boot out way faster compared to my Series 4. So I'm gonna do a little comparison. As you can see, this is the back of the Series 4. The sensors are like this. That's for the health features, and then with the new one, you get a little bit more dots on the Series 6. So this is for your blood oxygen. So that is all for the unboxing. If you do want to see a review or a comparison between the Apple Watch Series 4 as well as the Apple Watch Series 6, do let me know in the comment section below, and I shall go back to future Xavier where he will wrap up the entire video. Alright, so I finished setting up the Apple Watch Series 6 and I've been using it for the past few hours. And let's list out some of the new features of the Apple Watch Series 6 compared to the Series 4 and the Series 5. So compared to the Series 4, we do have a new always on display. Compared to the Series 5, we have a 2 times brighter always on display compared to the Series 5. So right now on my wrist, I do see a better always on display. So it is much better for me whenever I just want to have a quick check at what time it is. So that's super helpful. Next, let's talk about the brand new S6 chip on the Apple Watch Series 6. Now, I don't game on my watch or something, but if you do game on your watch, which some people do, or you message or you phone someone very frequently, or something that maybe takes a bit of processing power, or you do want faster loading times on your apps, the S6 chip is welcome. So it is about 20% faster as compared to the S4 chip on the Apple Watch Series 4. So if you do want a faster Apple Watch, you do have that as well. And of course, the most important feature of the Apple Watch Series 6 is the blood oxygen sensor found at the back of the Apple Watch Series 6. Now what it does, it measures your blood oxygen levels. So right now during the pandemic, it is actually quite important to measure your blood oxygen levels, because it actually tells you, if you have low blood oxygen levels, maybe you can go to see a doctor and contract the virus. So it is good that if you do want to check your blood oxygen levels, to get the Apple Watch Series 6. But if you don't care, you want the blood oxygen levels and the ECG features found in the 4 and the 5, then get the SE. I think it's a much better deal. And also, we do have a very underrated feature, I feel, that Apple introduced with this year's Apple Watch. Instead, when you charge your Apple Watch, last time it takes about 2 hours to get to about 100%. Right now, in about 80%, you only have to charge for about an hour. So 80% of the Apple Watch, only 1 hour, and 100%, 1.5 hours. So I think that should be a great feature after a long run. It takes faster to charge up your Apple Watch. You just put it on your Apple Watch for about 1 hour, boom, it charges. You can go and do whatever you need to do. So that, I think, is a great underrated feature. So that is all for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you do enjoy this video, do subscribe, like the video, and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Take care, and I shall catch you guys in the next video. Bye!